What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. As always, I got my sidekicks still. I'm using my phone again, so camera quality, I don't know. I mean, last time I used it, it was pretty good, so it's probably pretty good this time. But what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I got a 07 Saturn. I don't even know what Saturn this is. I know it's an 07 Saturn. What's the name of this freaking crap? Saturn. I don't really know. It doesn't say the name on the back. Okay, well, I just put the name in the description, but I got a 07 Saturn something with the 3.6. The same thing. It has the same motor as the Buick Enclave. I think I did an alternative video on one of those. You guys have really been going crazy over that one. I got like 7,000 views. So yeah, they all have the same. They all have the same motor in it. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the power steering pump because hers is obviously bad. Steering wheel's hard to turn. It's leaking fluid everywhere. Yeah, it's leaking fluid everywhere. Fluid's all down here. So we're going to figure out how to get this bad boy out. Recorder right here. My little bro, he finna record for me while I try to get this thing out of here. So y'all just bear with me and him. Because we using the phone, we're not using no real camera, so yeah. It's the first screw. All right, so the second one is over here. All right, so we got the second screw out. It seems to be pretty loose, so I guess I gotta take that one screw out the back where it has the holes connected, and then we're gonna go from there. So let's get right into that. The pump's pretty much loose now. I'm gonna take that one screw off in the back. I think that's a 10 millimeter. Let me go get a 10, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna take the whole thing off. I'm not gonna take it off from here. I'm just gonna take the whole little housing piece off. In my opinion, I think that'll be better. It'll give me more room to play with. Yeah. All right, so this is a little mini bolt, a little 10. Let's put that up there. Oh, okay, never mind. There's another line up top. It looks like an 18. Let me go get 18 and I'll be right back. Back! Oh, hell no. I don't want no noise messing up my video. All right, so this has already been changed before, so this must be a common problem on these things because somebody already changed this one. There's a junkyard one on here. So I got a 16 and 18 line wrench because this is GM. Saturn is pretty much GM, and I know most of the lines on here because I have a GM is going to be 16 or 18. So I'll get a 16 and 18. Mine comes with both. It's a line wrench. You dig? Yep, it's a 16. So this probably would have been a better idea to do with this thing still attached, but it's already off, so I gotta just go down to here. There we go. All right, so we got our line off. We got everything off of here. We got the line off, all the screws out. We have our holes off, so we should be good to come out now. Now I'm gonna try to figure out if I really have to take off this exhaust or can I get around it. I guess I'm gonna figure this out first, and then if I can get it out, I'll show you guys. If not, then we'll update you in a little bit. All right, y'all, so I finally got the pump out, and it turns out that I did have to take the exhaust off, but it really wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Come look. So I didn't have to take it all the way out, but look back here. I just took the exhaust off of here. Took the 2 screws out, and then I took the rest of the screws out. There's like 7 screws. It's really easy, and then it comes out right here. It's so simple. Yeah, that's pretty much it though. So I don't know if I'm going to finish this video here or if I'm going to let you guys watch me put it back in. I might let you guys watch me put it back in. So I guess I'll catch up with you guys once I get the new pump. I'll see you then. Yeah. All right, y'all, so I got my new pump finally after like 2 hours. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put the new pump in. I'm not gonna show y'all the whole thing because his phone's about to die, so I'm gonna just get it in, and once I get it in place, I'm gonna end the video there because after that, everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. Put this in here. I leave it like that. What happened?
That shit stank, bitch. That's not funny, bitch.
Yeah, that was funny as hell. Y'all don't mind us. We ain't wrapped too tight. All right, so that's pretty much the moral of the story. The pump is back in now. All I gotta do now is put my line back on, put my 2 lines back on, and put my exhaust back on, and then we pretty much done. So, let me just show y'all where we at right now. Got my screw right there, and the pump is pretty much in place, back where it should be. Over here, we in place, back like how it should be. I just got to take that one line off and put it on the one that's actually on the pump. Put my other line back in the top up there. Put my exhaust back on, which is very easy. And that's pretty much the moral of the story. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna end the video right here, you guys. Thank you all for watching. And that is how you do a power steering pump on a 07 Buick. I still don't know the name of it. Let's just say a Buick Enclave, the Saturn, all of them with the 3.6, they're all the same thing. So thank you all for watching again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Look at my hands, they're so dirty. Who cares? Boy.